Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday afternoon, or maybe it's not morning for you, but hello. Yesterday afternoon, my mail comes late in the afternoon. I got this package on my doorstep. It is from a viewer who's become a friend. Her name is Judy. And yeah, she sent me some papers. And she did text me and say she was going to, but they actually were for this. However, I probably couldn't have used them in here anyway since this was I could have if I did exceptions, since this was a mostly Dollar Tree junk journal, right? But I can use them in a future non-Dollar Tree journal. I might just have to get some more stickers and things I can use. If I find them, I'll do that. So anyway, I can use though the packaging, which is paper bag or paper. I think it's a paper bag. Yeah. Ooh, I have fuzzies on here. That's probably from my cat. She has been pulling her fur out, white and black. I don't know. Let's see. It's Food Lion. I don't think we have those around here. I know they are in various places because when I traveled for work, I would see them. But anyway, that's been years ago now. So here they are. I took them out because it was a struggle getting them out of the packaging. So let's open this up and see what all these papers are. Cool. Alrighty. Um, these are thick. What a great giraffe print, right? And I had to use a stencil to do it. I did put yellow in the background, so I did okay. They got a little bent, but I'll put them under something and they'll straighten out. And this one, now these are single-sided. I think, well, we'll see. That's pretty cool. That can be used for anything. And the zebra. And the alligator or crocodile. I think that's a crocodile because it has a longer snoot. Isn't that right? Longer, pointier snoot is crocodile. I forget what this is called. Yeah, sorry about that. And interesting. And then different kind of print. Okay, so what animal would that be? I don't know. Hyena maybe? No. Snake skin. I don't like snakes. But they are out in the wild. Actually, they're around here even, little garter snakes, and there's some other ones too, but I've actually had one laying on my doorstep in the sunshine one time. It freaked me out. Anyway, just various animal prints in little circles. A rhinoceros, just the shadows of them. Cool. Some just tropical plant stuff. I think this is hyena, actually, isn't it? Help me out, guys. I'm not real good. Or leopard. Maybe that's leopard. I don't know. Hyena and leopard, I get their coats mixed up. And that one. Peacock. Ooh, I love peacocks. They're so pretty. There used to be, it's closed now, but there used to be a recycle place in a town where my friend lives, and you actually had to take your stuff there, but then they also would sell stuff if you wanted anything. And they had a live peacock wandering around, and it would open up its pretty feathers sometimes for us. It was cool. It was just, well, it was in a fenced-in area, the whole place was, so it didn't get out. But yeah, it was just part of the scenery of that place. But the place closed a couple years ago. That also looks like snake skin or some kind of animal rough skin in the background on green. Ooh, that's a pretty tropical print. I like the yellow in it too, and the sort of reddish brown. all kinds of animals on there. That would be nice. This is a nice size for like a traveler's notebook, I think. Maybe I'll do a traveler's notebook with this. British Protectorate, Cape Colony, yeah. Different provinces from the old days, I believe, in South Africa. Yeah. Oh, that's different. That would make a nice cover for something. Doesn't even have to be tropical or animals, right? This is pretty too. I like this one a lot. Me and my earth tones, I like that a lot. Yeah. And an elephant, two elephants, yay! With a hint of tropical leaves in the back. So those are the, what are these, 8 by 8, I think? Let me see. Oops. Unusual size to find anymore. Yeah, 8 by 8. Cool, thank you, Judy. And then we have 12 by 12s. You must be also a scrapbooker, not just a card maker. I don't scrapbook, so. Ah, one's missing, but that's okay. That's a good idea. They would make nice decorations. We got giraffes and elephants. Cool. And do I have these right side up? I don't know. Maybe. Like wood grain, but also the background looks like skin. See? Oh, hang on. Are these are double-sided? See, I wouldn't know what to do with this other than if I have a larger journal, cut one of these, cut them out for it. So yeah, this side is probably what I'd use. And then this side, oh, it's the globe on like old parchment paper looking with a compass down here. And lots of elephants and chimps and, or apes maybe, in the blue, and looks like a donkey, a rhinoceros, rhinoceri, how do you say that? I don't know. Some kind of a deer. Bambi. We have lots of deer around here. Well, we did. I used to feed, okay, now these are single-sided. I'm going to just tuck them under, and there's 2 of this sheet. Cool. Jungle excursion. I would love to go on an excursion. Little animal, monkey business, yeah. Seeing spots, right. Safari. It's a jungle out there, you know, that is the truth. Wild. Treasure hunter. Cool. Ooh, and that pretty pink flower with glitter on it. And then some of these have, well, that has glitter too. That's like the safari bus and the tropical trees and the little paw prints. Cute. And then we have some wood grain, which this has texture to it. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a little bit thinner paper. Very pretty. Tropical leaves, some cut aparts, random acts of kindness, dream. This will go good in my purple journal that I have to make still, so I think I'll save that one for that. Oh, maybe this too. Journey, love, cutie. That's fun. Some numbers. They would be good for my index card things too. Random acts of kindness. Yes, this was. Thank you very much. Anyway, I'm going to put them with my purple. Look at the yellow. That's pretty. This is like dandelion. Pretty. Environment, habitat, water, nature, trees. You know, isn't Earth Day coming up in, is it April? Hang on. Yes, Earth Day is April 22nd. This will be good for that, right? Water, fresh air, trees, environment. Cool. Plant some trees. I don't have any room to plant trees. Well, I do, but I don't want to have to mow around them. The problem is I have well water and septic, so I can't plant trees near the septic in particular because the roots, anyway. So I have to be careful. This has to do with travel. Welcome, motel, this way, one way. So, and then we're back to animals. Chomp. Chomp, chomp. Oh, clump, clump, clump. Roar. Ooh, ooh, ee, ee. Ooh, ooh, ee, ee. Cute. And what's this say? Taroot. 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 Ooh, ooh, ee, ee. That's cute. That's a cute one. Cute aminals. And glossy. The sparkle that doesn't come off. That's a good kind of sparkle. That's like that one other paper, but with gloss on it, like this one. Same like this one, same design. No, a little different. They're more in rows instead of scattered, but similar. I thought there was one like that too. Anyway, you get the idea with all the animals. I like that a lot. And here we have, look at that monkey. Glossy animals also with some leaves on a blue, dark blue background. Yeah, pretty. And sort of giraffe print in the background with just different colored giraffes on it. Interesting. And again, on that sort of glossy, sparkly look. And then this was just to keep, when I first opened it, I guess I was opening it backwards. And this is from Stampin' Up's Be Mine, which is just recent. I think, was this Celebration, I think. But it was just there to help hold things in order and not get bent. And I can cut that up for tags and stuff like that. That's what I do with them, or I reuse them like you did. So anyway, thank you so much, Judy. What did I just do with the other ones now? Oh, here they are. Like, I don't have too many places to sit stuff around me, so I knew they had to be close by. I will put them under a book or something, a box of something to flatten them out again, because they got a little curled, some of them. But yeah, I'll make some kind of journal at some point in the future using these, so don't worry. I do not have any of these papers, and these are nice and textured, and these have a lot of variety. I think I'll pull the ones that I said I'd use for the purple journal out. The ones that had a lot of purple on. These two. I might put them with my Dollar Tree purple journal and see if I can use them in there. And the rest, well, I don't know, the daffodil, dandelion, I might pull out too and keep some. Oh, that's double-sided. Okay, did I miss some of these double-sided? I didn't think any more were. Let me see, did I miss some? Nope, the rest were white. Okay. Okay, well that one has polka dots on the back. So those two I'll put with other things, but the rest of these I'll keep with my, I'll keep actually in a paper holder just for tropical / wild animals for a future bigger journal made out of scrapbook paper instead of Dollar Tree almost all items. Okay? Thank you, Judy, again. And everyone, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. And I'll be back again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.